Counterfeit goods worth millions of shillings was seized in a multi-agency operation in Nairobi's industrial area and Eastleigh in an ongoing countrywide crackdown on counterfeit products. The Kenya Revenue Authority says goods worth 34 million shillings were impounded at a go-down in industrial area that belonged to Chinese businessmen. The worth of the counterfeit goods from 3 other go-downs in the same business premise is yet to be established. The inspection that commenced at around 10 o'clock in the morning saw 5 among 10 go-downs inspected. Goods that did not meet the Kenya Bureau of Standards requirements were seized for destruction. Meanwhile, traders in Eastleigh Market whose counterfeit goods were impounded say the police are used to frustrating them and vowed to go to court.
So yesterday we came here, we identified these go-downs. And today we are undertaking an operation that has identified these 10 go-downs. These go-downs are stocking illicit goods. Like you can see in this particular one, all we have here is what we are calling counterfeit shoes. We also have another go-down here which has roofing tiles, also counterfeit. We have another one, again of shoes, which we have not found the owner. We have also gotten a few of the owners who have no work permits within this country.
On the same issue of fighting fakes, we are getting reports that the Kenya Bureau of Standards Managing Director, that's Charles Ongwae, alongside the Quality Assurance Director and the Inspections Boss are being grilled at the DCI headquarters over the rise of illicit trade. That is the MD of KEBS, that's Charles Ongwae, alongside 2 other senior managers at the organization are being grilled at the DCI headquarters over the rise of illicit trade. We shall be following that up for you and definitely give you the details tomorrow.